So I thought I'd do a quick harvest video just to show how things are transitioning as we move towards some summer crops. Still got plenty of spring crops though, so last of the purple sprouting broccoli probably, but still loads of calabrese to come. Asian greens starting to come to the end, but still got 2 or 3 harvests off those. New potatoes starting to come in reasonable quantities now, although I still have to keep all these little ones because they're very popular. Started to clear some old kale beds, so plenty of kale leaves. These are very popular with people who like to make crisps and juicing. Asparagus, yeah, that's 2 days picking of asparagus there, although I think we ate a few of them last night as well. Crown Prince squash, that one actually has got a slight amount of rot at the bottom, so we had to use that one up today, but never mind because we do have courgettes now, so that's really good. Still got a bit of elephant garlic there from last year, loads of onions in the store. Started picking, because we've run out of leeks now, so I started picking elephant garlic, which as you can see just looks kind of exactly like a leek. And I just used my thin-ins from the elephant garlic bed as leeks for the next month or so. And we've got new baby beetroots now, and obviously beautiful beetroot leaves there. We've still got plenty of beetroot in store though, but there's nothing beats these little baby ones. And green garlic, because we haven't got any stored garlic left apart from the elephant garlic. And first pick of the turnips, so happy about those. I do love a few turnips. All sorts of different kales here, and Brussels sprout leaves and Savoy cabbage leaves. I'll start picking spring cabbages pretty soon. Well, I could pick them now, but I've still got so much kale that I'm leaving those for a little bit longer. And the spinach, nice selection of spinach, again very popular with people who like to do juicing. And a few friends of ours that do that. And there's the red veined one and the green one. This is Rubino, this is Responder. Radishes, finally got around to picking some of those. Got loads of better radish. I'm not mad keen on radish to be honest, but it does brighten up the table a bit. Although actually, when you look back at that table's looking pretty colourful actually for this time of year. Little baby carrots. I have to resist picking more because they do have to last for quite a long time. And salad onions. I think we've got loads of salad onions. I don't know where they're all gone. They'll be somewhere. Oh, there they are. All down there on the table there. And a few of them have started to go to seed, which is annoying for salad onions, but we'll still keep eating them. And then we've got all of the salads. I've fully made up all the salads this week. I unfortunately have not grown these tomatoes or the grapes. They're from the supermarket. So that's it, just a quick update on what's going on. I should do a planting video soon, I think, just to show you all the stuff that we've got planted, because a lot of this abundance here is a result of lots of planting going on and bed clearing. My name's Steve, this is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel, and I'll see you soon.